Chicory varieties, such as the well-known Belgian endive and the Italian radicchio, have been used by humans as food in salads for a long time. They are appreciated for their characteristic bitter taste. Wild chicory, with its beautiful blue flowers, is widely spread in nature all across Europe. The crop that is called root chicory is cultivated for food fibre inulin. Inulin is a prebiotic. It boosts the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and stimulates our immune system. The inulin fibre is included in foods such as yogurts and cereal bars to enhance gut health. Root chicory is mainly cultivated in the Netherlands, Belgium, and the northern part of France. In addition to inulin, chicory roots store different terpenes. Terpenes are organic compounds naturally occurring in many plants, for example to attract pollinators or defend themselves against herbivores or microbes. In nature, there are thousands of different terpenes. The terpenes in chicory give chicory varieties their typical bitter taste. Some terpenes can also stop the growth of fungi or bacteria as antibiotics or prevent cancer cells from growing. Therefore, the terpenes from chicory could be developed into new medicines thanks to these properties. Through the CHIC project, we want to improve the quality of chicory. We will make specific small changes and adapt chicory so that it can, on the one hand, produce more and healthier inulin, and on the other hand, produce sufficient amounts of medicinal terpenes. It can take easily between 1 and 2 decades to develop a new plant variety by conventional plant breeding. CHIC's mission is to develop new chicory varieties with clear health benefits and do this in a much shorter time frame. CHIC will develop and implement different genome editing techniques to improve chicory into a new, robust, multi-purpose crop that will produce dietary inulin and bioactive terpenes. The CHIC consortium will evaluate the efficiency of the different genome editing techniques, as well as the safety, environmental, regulatory, socio-economic, and broader societal issues. By involving stakeholders and by raising public awareness at all phases of the project, CHIC strives to ensure responsible and desired innovations. CHIC, the Chicory Innovation Consortium, is a €7.3 million funded project by the European Commission under the H2020 programme that brings together 17 partners from 11 European countries and from New Zealand. It includes universities, research institutes, small, medium and larger industrial partners and non-profit organisations.